Hey guys, my name is Bob. Welcome to the Excel Math channel, and today this is the first video of 2017. I'm going to talk about trigonometry as to give you some tips and tricks on how you can actually remember the values of sine theta. Well, in the previous videos I have another method on how you can actually determine what is your sine 30, 45, 60 and 90 without memorizing, and this is another way, all right, for you to determine the values of sine theta. All right, so first thing first, what I do is I will write down the respective angle. So that will be sine 0 degrees, 30, and then 45, 60 and 90. So the first step I will do is I will just write down in this sequence 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the next thing I will do is to divide, all right, every single value by 4. Right, divide every single value by 4, and then next thing I will do is I will simplify the fraction itself. So next thing I will do is simplify the fraction. So we know that 0 divided by 4 is 0. So for sine 30 is 1/4. For this one, if I were to simplify, is half, and 60 is 3/4, while 90 is just 1. And now the next thing that you do is to take the square root of each number. So you take the square root of all the numbers down here, all right, and last but not least, you solve the square root itself. So if I were to solve the square root starting from here, square root 0 is 0, and square root of 1/4 is just 1 over square root 4. Okay, so square root 4 is of course 2, right? So this will be half. Well, this one is just what, 1 over square root 2, correct? So in the end you'll get 1 over square root 2. Same thing for here, this one will be square root 3 over square root 4. So that will be square root 3 over 2. And last but not least, square root 1 is just 1. And so here we go, the final answer. Okay? Okay, so the final values for sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is half, sine 45 is 1 over square root 2, sine 60 is square root 3 over 2, and sine 90 is 1. So let me just repeat the steps again. Step number 1, okay, label or write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is step number 1. Step number 2, divide every single value by 4. Step number 3, square root all the values. Alright, step number 4, simplify, okay, the square root itself, and hence you will be able to determine what is your sine, okay, values. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, sine 45 is 1 over square root 2, sine 60 is square root 3 over 2, and sine 90 is 1. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you guys have any tips or tricks to remember, okay, any mathematical helps or whatsoever, you can actually message me. Do comment in the comment section below. Like this video and do subscribe. Bob signing off from here, and hope this video actually helps you to remember the values for sine theta.